Another day, another place. Hawaii is a tropical paradise made up of several stunning islands in the Pacific Ocean. With its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, Hawaii attracts millions of visitors from around the world each year. Here, I'll take you on a virtual journey to explore the top 25 must-visit places in Hawaii, each offering a unique experience and natural beauty. Oahu. Start your Hawaiian adventure on the island of Oahu, home to the state capital, Honolulu. Explore Waikiki Beach, hike to Diamond Head Summit for panoramic views, and visit Pearl Harbor to pay homage to World War II history. Honolulu, the vibrant capital city of Hawaii, offers a mix of modern amenities and cultural attractions. Don't miss the famous Waikiki Beach, Iolani Palace, Bishop Museum, and the vibrant Chinatown. Waikiki Beach. This iconic beach is known for its golden sands, crystal clear waters, and bustling atmosphere. Enjoy surfing, sunbathing, and beachside dining while taking in the stunning views of Diamond Head. North Shore, Oahu. Renowned for its massive waves, the North Shore is a surfer's paradise. Catch some of the world's best surfers riding the waves at Bonsai Pipeline or Sunset Beach. Halewa, a charming surf town on the North Shore, Halewa offers a laid-back atmosphere, boutique shops, art galleries, and delicious local food. Try some mouth-watering shaved ice or visit the Dole Plantation nearby. Maui. Known as the Valley Isle, Maui is famous for its diverse landscapes. Start your adventure with a drive along the road to Hana, exploring waterfalls, lush forests, and scenic overlooks. Haleakala National Park. Visit Haleakala, a dormant volcano, to witness a breathtaking sunrise above the clouds. Hike through otherworldly landscapes and bike down the mountain for an unforgettable experience. Lahaina. This historic town on the west coast of Maui offers a glimpse into Hawaii's whaling past. Explore the bustling front street, enjoy oceanfront dining, and catch a stunning sunset cruise. Ka'anapali Beach. One of Maui's most popular beaches, Ka'anapali, boasts pristine white sands, crystal clear waters, and excellent snorkeling opportunities. Stay at one of the luxurious resorts and witness the cliff diving ceremony at Black Rock. Hana. Nestled on the eastern coast of Maui, Hana is a secluded paradise with breathtaking landscapes. Discover hidden waterfalls, black sand beaches, and vibrant gardens along the winding road to Hana. Big Island. As the largest of the Hawaiian Islands, the Big Island offers a diverse range of attractions. Explore Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, witness the fiery lava flows, and hike to stunning viewpoints. Kailua Kona. Located on the west coast of the Big Island, Kailua Kona is a historic town known for its coffee farms and rich cultural heritage. Explore the quaint shops, visit the Huluhi Palace, and relax on the beautiful beaches. Hilo. On the east coast of the Big Island, Hilo is a tropical paradise with lush rainforests, stunning waterfalls, and botanical gardens. Don't miss a visit to Rainbow Falls and the scenic drive along the Hamakua coast. Akaka Falls State Park. Experience the awe-inspiring Akaka Falls, a towering waterfall surrounded by lush vegetation. Take a leisurely stroll through the park's trails and witness the beauty of the Hawaiian rainforest. Kauai. Known as the Garden Isle, Kauai is a haven for nature lovers. Explore the breathtaking Na Pali coast, hike through Waimea Canyon, and take a boat tour along the Wailua River to the enchanting Fern Grotto. Hanalei Bay. This picturesque bay on Kauai's north shore offers stunning views, sandy beaches, and excellent surfing conditions. Explore the charming town of Hanalei, hike to nearby waterfalls, and soak in the natural beauty. Poipu Beach. Located on Kauai's sunny south shore, Poipu Beach is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Keep an eye out for Hawaiian green sea turtles known to frequent the area. Na Pali Coast. A visit to Kauai is incomplete without experiencing the breathtaking Na Pali Coast. Take a helicopter tour, hike the Kalalau Trail, or embark on a boat tour to witness the dramatic cliffs, hidden beaches, and cascading waterfalls. Molokai. Known as the Friendly Isle, Molokai offers a more tranquil and untouched Hawaiian experience. Explore Kalaupapa National Historical Park, visit the stunning Papahaku Beach, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Lanai. Escape to the secluded island of Lanai and indulge in luxury and tranquility. Discover pristine beaches, snorkel in crystal-clear waters, and explore unique rock formations at the Garden of the Gods. Waimea Canyon, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, Waimea Canyon on Kauai offers breathtaking vistas and hiking trails. Explore the various lookout points to witness the vibrant colors and dramatic landscapes. Pearl Harbor. Pay your respects at Pearl Harbor, a historic site on Oahu that commemorates the Japanese attack on the U.S. naval base in 1941. Visit the USS Arizona Memorial and explore the interactive exhibits at the Pearl Harbor Visitor Center. Waipio Valley, located on the Big Island's Hamakua coast, Waipio Valley is a lush paradise with steep cliffs, waterfalls, and taro fields. Take a guided tour or hike down into the valley to experience its untouched beauty. Yao Valley State Park. Discover the serene beauty of Yao Valley on Maui, home to the iconic Yao Needle. Explore the park's trails, learn about the cultural significance of the area, and take in the lush rainforest scenery. Kalaupapa National Historical Park, located on Molokai, this park is a historic site that tells the story of the Hansen's disease settlement. Take a guided mule ride down the steep cliffs or explore the area on a walking tour. These top 25 places in Hawaii offer a glimpse into the incredible natural beauty, cultural heritage, and diverse landscapes that make the islands a true paradise. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature, Hawaii has something for everyone. So pack your bags, immerse yourself in the aloha spirit, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through the Hawaiian Islands.